Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. One thing, whenever you get to log in, once you are able to log in, and once it is asking for an email address of the referral, make sure you type in this email address. Okay, would you like to share your screen, Atif? I can't hear you. Okay, please share your screen. I'm stopping my screen. Please share your screen. Okay. So you got the email, is that what you're saying? Show it to us. How did you? Okay. Did you create your profile? Send this link. Send this link. Copy this link, please. Send it in the WhatsApp group. If WhatsApp is not working, it's fine. You send it to me on my email. I'm sharing my email address. Yeah, use this email address and share it with me. I'll share it in the WhatsApp group, guys. So try creating your profile from here, guys, and then apply. Wherever you apply at the last, it will ask you for one email address, the referral email address. Okay, make sure you type in that correctly. I'll share that with you, which email address needs to be typed. That's okay, just send it without any subject, anything. Yeah, that's fine, just send it. Yeah, send it and you can stop sharing your screen then. Thanks, Atif. Okay, guys, I've got it from Atif. I'm sharing it with you. Give it a try. Let me know if it is not working. If it is not working for anyone, let me know. We'll figure it out what needs to be done. So first you create a profile from here. Then again, you go back to that link, and it will take you to login, and then apply for it. Okay. And let me share my screen now. Is the screen visible to all? Can someone confirm?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Just last thing, I'm sharing the email address, the person who referred you. You have to make sure that after clicking on this link, you click on, you type in this email address when it asks for. Okay, now let's quickly discuss what is service desk. Anyone who has idea? Atif bhai, I know your background. Father, you're a fresher, I know. Sahil, Muzammil told me that you have a fair idea about it, right?
Yeah, actually, little bit.
Okay. And what about Irfan? You? Okay. Megha, how about you? Are you currently working with service desk?
No, like I don't have much idea about that.
Okay. So what do you do exactly now? Your current job is?
As a system administrator.
What kind of tasks do you get?
Like it's a kind of email chat process.
Okay, but what kind of email, chat and emails for what kind of issues do you get?
Like we get tickets regarding the tablet issues.
Issues like?
Like games problem or software problem, music, these kind.
And what kind of resolutions do you provide? Just
Like
randomly I'm
first we
asking, so it is helpful for
yeah,
others
yeah, sure.
also. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. So firstly, we'll check all the details of the customer and the tablet, like condition of the tablet and all. After that, we provide the solution through email.
Okay, that's great. Fine.
Uh,
But what kind of solution? What do you ask them to do normally? What is
just
the?
normally like troubleshooting steps. If
Can
you
you
have any
name
problem
any?
with,
Let's say give me one issue which you frequently face and one resolution which you give to them, which frequently comes कि आता ही है ये इस तरह का कोई.
So like for example, if you have any problem with one of the game, so they'll raise a ticket and we'll get ticket that we'll check the game status in the tablet, like what status it is. If it's been downloaded or it's been freezing, the game is been freezing, no, we'll provide the troubleshooting steps like uninstall,
That is what
like
I'm
that.
looking for. Yes, yes. Okay,
Huh.
fine.
Yeah.
Thank you for your contribution. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So let me quickly explain it to you. Very brief. We'll keep it. What is a service desk? Service desk is nothing like you are working for your company. For example, if you're working for AIM InfoWeb, Mega, you're working for Wipro, right? You guys must have got a laptop or something, right? एक laptop या PC कुछ तो
Yes.
मिला होगा. Maybe you go to office and you have a PC. You're working from home. You have a laptop, right? So
Yes.
you log into that
Yes.
laptop using your company ID, right? So that company ID, if you're not able to log in, what do you do? Let's say someday you're trying to log in. You went to office, you typed in your email address, your login ID, that uh, atif@xdbs.com or Sahil at AIMInfoWeb or mega@wipro.com, and you see that it is not working. I'm unable to log in. Maybe it says password expired. It says password is not working, password incorrect, or it says account locked. Then what do you guys do?
We call to the IT person with the desktop.
Yes, that IT person, that is the person that is called service desk. In your local
Service
environment,
desk.
maybe it's just some person who's sitting next to you. So you simply just go ahead and call him and he do it, or you just knock his door and he do it for you. But now just let's imagine that you are doing it for some other client. You will be working for Compicom. Compicom has taken a contract from some other company. Most of the time, they are US companies, and they are connecting you via calls, chat, email, anything. Okay, those companies are, or those companies could be a banking company, insurance company, anything. For you, it looks easy. Care password reset ही तो करना है. But people who are working in that company, maybe they are good with banking and etc., but they don't know even basic troubleshooting or basic computers. That is the reason you are being hired, right? And they cannot give access to everyone कि आप सबका account unlock करते बैठो, ये भी नहीं हो सकता है. Even if they know, they don't have access. That is the reason you guys are being hired. So let me quickly open Paint and I'll explain it to you. So you should at least have an idea that who will be calling you, how does it work. People who are already working, it's pretty much easy for you to understand. So let's say for if we consider this interview, you will be employee of Compicom. This is Compicom. You're being hired for Compicom on your particular skill set. Okay, Compicom for service desk. Okay, whenever I write SD, it is service desk. You have been hired. Now it's Compicom's lookout uh, where they put it. They will have multiple companies. Okay, they will have multiple clients. Compicom has. I'm not naming any client. I'm just giving example, guys. Okay, maybe they have Bank of America. I'm not sure if they have or don't. They have it or they don't have it. We are not even discussing that. Just random names. Bank of America, maybe they have. They could have Kraft. It's a company in US. It's a food manufacturer. Maybe they have Walmart. Okay. Uh, so any company like this, any company, any bank, anything. These are the client. Now, these employees, employees of Bank of America. Let's say tomorrow morning, one employee come to Bank of America, certain branch. He's trying to log in. Okay, he's trying to log in, but he is not able to log in. He or she is not able to log in. They are getting some error. What kind of error? Error says your account is locked or your password has expired or your password is not working. So they think they are calling their service desk. They pick up a phone and they call. This employee will make a call on the number, whatever service desk number they have got. That call will come to Compicom service desk and one of you will handle that call. You are an employee of Compicom, but you are catering, you're helping to whom? To your client. Your client is Bank of America. Maybe some of will you get Bank of America, किसी को Walmart मिल जाए, किसी को Kraft मिल जाए. Again, the names are just numbers. I'm not the names are just vague. And for example, I'm not saying these companies, the Compicom has these clients, not claiming that. Okay, but is it understood till here, guys? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
These people can call you, can send a chat to you, can send an email to you. or maybe they have a ticketing tool and they will create a ticket at their, let's say it's not always their account is locked. Maybe they are able to log into their account and some application is not working, like Megha was explaining. In her case it is game, in their case it could be some application. In her case it is her, they are supporting tablet. In this one you're supporting laptop and PCs. Okay, so some application is not working but PC is working, right? So instead of calling or chat or email, what this person can do, can raise a ticket also using a ticketing tool, and that ticket will also come to you. So you'll have to work on that. And even if the computer is locked, maybe this person will reach to the supervisor and ask that supervisor to raise a ticket for you. So you can get an email, you can get an email or a chat or a ticket or a call. Is it clear till here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now what kind of issues do you get in service desk? In service desk, what are your job is to provide first level contact and convey the resolution. मतलब सबसे first approach आपके पास ही है. The very first thing what they are doing, it's reaching out to you. Next level, level 2, etc., those are different things. They are reaching out to you. That is the first level. Okay, what do? You resolve their problem and you create a service request for them. Mega, do you do it now? When you get a chat and you give a resolution, do you also create a service request for them?
No, we'll not create that one.
You don't create that, okay? But in normally in
No.
service desk, guys, you do create, okay? Just to record that conversation. That user A, Atif, called me from Bank of America. He wanted his password to be resetted. I did the security check and I reset the password and I'm closing the service request. I can do this. You have to do this. Okay. So you should know how to create a service request using any service request tool. Service request, it's a simple thing, just the documentation of what you are doing. I'm sure if you guys are working, you will know what is a request. Okay, sometimes you're not able to handle it, you're not able to resolve the issue, so you create a request and assign it to the next level of team. So in either case, you create a request. Okay, properly escalate unresolved tickets. Same thing, if you are able to address the issue, it's okay. If you're not able to address the issue, you escalate it to the next level team via a service request or email or anything. So now Mega, in your case, let's say if you are not able to troubleshoot any problem, what do you do next? I'm sure not all problems are there which you can troubleshoot easily. There must be some problem which you are not able. You tried installation and installation, everything you tried. What do you do next?
Uh, yeah, like we'll escalate to the development team.
Exactly. See, the next level team. It could be anything. It could be
Yeah.
development team. It could be maybe you have a senior team. Maybe you have onshore team. So you just call next level team. That is what you do. Track, route, and redirect. It's the same thing again. Track whatever request you have raised on behalf of customer, just to check whether customer has got the resolution or not. Redirect, sometimes it is not your problem, sometimes it is someone else's problem, as in different team, but you know that team, so you simply redirect. For example, a user is calling to you that I use a PC and my keyboard has been broken. Now you are sitting in India, user is in some branch of Bank of America. Can you do something about his physical keyboard?
No.
Definitely
No.
not. If it was something software or something, you would have tried. But for an issue like keyboard broken, you will redirect. Okay, we have a team, local team there. I will raise a ticket for you, and someone from them will help you. That is, walk customer through problem solving skill. Simple issue that first time you do it for client, for example, uninstall and installing an app. Client doesn't know how to do it. You take remote of that computer, you show it to him how to do it. That is what it is. That you're doing it for him, but you're also explaining it to him how to do it. So next time he won't call. Ensure proper recording, everything, documentation. जो भी आपने करने लगाया, I asked him to reinstall, advise user to reinstall the app, it worked. Whatever you do it. Install uninstall application, you know what is it. Windows update will cover later. We might need another session. We only have 7 minutes remaining for this session. Okay, Windows update, I'll do it later. Password reset, account unlock, frequently asked and frequent, very frequent issue for what users will call you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show it to you, not right now, maybe in next session, maybe tomorrow we'll have one more session. Meanwhile, you guys can create your profile, upload everything. You're not going to have immediate interview tomorrow. Maybe next week your interviews will start, so we have 2-3 days, we'll have 2 or 3 sessions, right? So this I will show it to you how to do it. so it will be easier for you guys to speak. Okay, network printer installation, I'm going to show this to you. Router troubleshooting, basic troubleshooting जो आप लोग अपने घर में करते हो ना router का, that troubleshooting, it's very basic. Printer troubleshooting, I will show it to you. A new request for hardware, same example like keyboard. User says keyboard is not working, you will raise a ticket for the user that okay, you will get a new keyboard, you will assign that ticket to the next level team who's sitting there on site. You don't even have to know someone, वो ticketing tool वगैरह होता है, उसमें you just have to apply. Application support, same. If application is not working, has it been downloaded properly, has it been upgraded, basic thing. Browser troubleshooting, like your Chrome is not working fine. PC troubleshooting, I will show some steps, you guys can make a note of it later, and it will be good to go. Not in today's session, we hardly have 5 minutes. Okay, so these things we are going to work on, and then you guys will have your interview. I'll try to give some interview questions also. We have someone at the interview panel, we are trying to push you. Let's see how it goes. So is that clear, guys? Till now we only have 5 minutes left, so I'll take quick questions, and tomorrow's session we are going to cover this. So do you guys have any doubt or any questions on the approach, that what it is and what we are going to do?
Uh, if we are working on level 1, then they will not give any task out of the box, correct?
Definitely
Means
not,
in
don't
that
worry.
box only. Yeah.
Definitely not. Even if they're giving, you will have some help. As of now, just focus on interview. Don't worry about the job tak jab aaoge, you will get more help. I'll conduct more sessions. We have contacts inside also, don't worry about it. They will help you. And even if you don't
And
have any contacts, you will get training, you will have mentors, you will have L2 team. Don't worry about the job, focus on interview. As of now, we have to clear the interview, focus on that. The maximum package they're offering is 4.5. If you give good interview, you're good with technical, you'll get 4.5. Even to a fresher, if someone is working at 2.5, 3, you can get 4.5 easily. I don't want to name the person, but one of you has already got the offer. He's joining it today. Maybe Sahil, you know the person. This session
yeah,
is being recorded, hence I'm not taking the name. Okay,
yeah, no.
right. And that person also is not coming from any service desk background, nothing. He just attended my training for maybe just a week. And yes, I'm gonna share some videos with you. I've conducted one service desk training session, so I'm gonna share those videos with you. Go through, watch those videos, and we'll decide some time for tomorrow, maybe similar time, and I'll catch you guys. Meanwhile, today, please figure it out, create your profile, apply for the job, and confirm it in the WhatsApp group once you have done, so I can check with Shahbaz whether we can proceed with the next step now. Any doubt, any questions,
Okay,
guys?
so sir, I just wanted to ask you, like, we have to just to create a profile as of now, and we have to just submit the
Yeah,
form.
create,
We
apply.
have to apply, like.
Yeah, create and apply. And at the time of applying, it will ask for the referral ID. Use Shehbaz's
Mhm.
email address over there. I've shared the
Sure.
email address in the group.
Yeah. No. Sure.
Okay. Any doubt anyone has? Any other doubt other than this?
Hi. So, do we get continuous calls or like how is it?
I would say 12 to 15 calls a day. So not continuous call, not like a call center, definitely. But yes, you do get
Okay.
calls. 12 to 15 calls a day, you can say. And they
Okay.
also
Okay.
have chat process, etc. Let's say if you're coming from chat one, if you're interested in chat process, you can ask for that. But this hiring is for calling. So as of now, they'll hire you for
Okay.
calls.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna share a playlist with you. Please go through that, check that once, and we'll discuss the time for tomorrow's session. We'll have one more session. I will share these details with you. I'll explain this to you, and then we'll start your interviews, guys.
Sure.
I'm sharing the link. You watch that video and let me know if you guys have any questions. And please subscribe to the channel also, because I keep on posting some videos and you'll get it. You'll get the notification on that videos and question answers, which will help you. Okay, guys. Then see you tomorrow.
Sure.
Thank you.
Let me know once you have created your profile and applied for it. And if you are facing any problem, that also let me know in the group. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.